The Matiari-Lahore high-voltage direct current transmission line project under the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor is providing green and clean electricity to Pakistan. The 886-kilometer-long project was completed by the Pak Matiari-Lahore Transmission Company Limited and started its commercial operation in September 2021. It has the maximum capacity to transmit electricity of 35 billion kilowatt-hours annually. The project was invested, constructed and is being operated by the State Grid Corporation of China in accordance with Chinese standards, with approximately 98% of the project's equipment being supplied by Chinese companies. Chinese and Pakistani employees work at the Lahore converter station all the year round to ensure the smooth operation of the project.
是每年巴基斯坦的气温最高的季节，电力负荷剧增。汪拉直流输电项目中巴方员工24小时坚守在各自的工作岗位上，确保巴基斯坦当地的用电需求。
Insufficient power has always been a pain point plaguing Pakistan's economic development. The project has resolved an electrical shortfall in about 9.3 million Pakistani households, and around 7,000 jobs had been created for the locals during the construction of the project.
汪拉直流输电工程是中国国家电网公司响应“一带一路”的重要举措。对于我们中资企业来说，这也是我们走出海外、相互学习的一个重要机会。